Hey Wrangler 4xe fans, welcome to another in the series of Under the Hood. And in this series I'm talking about things under the hood of the Wrangler 4xe, little maintenance items you might want to know about. And one of those is checking your engine coolant level. This is not to be confused with your battery coolant level that we'll talk about in another video. This is for the gas engine. And I've already unscrewed this. This is where you will fill and check your coolant level. Now, of course, the radiator is up here in the front, and there's no way to fill it like you might think like an older vehicle where you had a big reservoir cap here on the side. This is now done in this little bottle, whatever you want to call it. And if you twist this guy off, you will have a little dipstick looking thing. And what you want to see, this is kind of hard to get it to where the camera will focus on it, but what you want to see is that you have fluid in those little bubble holes on there, and we can see that we do have plenty of fluid in there. So that's what you want to look at. You want to make sure that that stays full. And you know, the Wrangler 4xe has a rather crazy coolant system, and you definitely want to make sure that you're staying on top of your coolant levels. The vehicle will let you know if it's running low, of course, but it's not a bad idea to check that every once in a while just to make sure. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out this episode of Under the Hood. Take care.